Hi, Christine. Thank you so much for your poem this week. I just wanted to start off by saying bravo. This is not an easy poem to write. And, I just want to say I'm so glad that the prompt for writing the impossible worked for you. I can tell you that this is the prompt that I return to over and over again for my own work. And I think it just works so well for you. I hope that you keep it in your toolbox as something to return to access some of the writing that feels impossible. I want to address your questions in terms of the repetitive lines. You know, I feel like the repetition of wait, stopped, and reflect in the second stanza worked really well for me. I think the return to it. But I will say that the end of the poem, right here, the wait, stop, reflect, being repeated there, felt like an interruption rather than a successful device. So my recommendation would be to just let it be repeated in the second stanza and go ahead and take it out at the end of the poem. I just don't think you need it. It seems like padding, and this poem is so strong and so powerful that I don't think you need that extra padding. And I do think you gave enough detail to help the reader understand what you're feeling. I think some of that detail is the emotional pain that turns physical, that physical pain, which makes us only able to sleep to get through it, heartbreak, the guilt, um, the guilt and the questioning of self. I think all of that. And then the metaphor of the caterpillar to butterfly, and then recognizing that, but the butterfly is black. I think all of that are very important details which express what you're trying to express. So thank you so much for your poem this week. I just want to point out that next week is our final portfolio, so please take the opportunity this week to review it and let me know if you have any questions. Thanks.